Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. Today I am going to make part 2 of Act 4 all the scenes. Second part क्यों कह रही हूँ क्योंकि already I have made 52 questions in part 1 in my previous video. So first question for today's video is very simple question. Where does Act 4 Scene 1 take place? The Capitol, at Lepidus' house, in the battlefield, at a house in Rome. तो कहाँ का सीन है? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, एट ए हाउस इन रोम, जहां पर वो ट्रायम्विरेट बैठे हैं, डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. सेकेंड इज ऑक्टेवियस टोल्ड लेपिडस टू फाइंड देम ईदर वेयर दे वर और इन द बैटलफील्ड, एट एंटनीज हाउस, एट द कैपिटल, at the king's palace. And correct option is C, at the Capitol. I know you know these answers. What does Brutus refuse to do as a way to raise money for his army? Beg Cassius for money, levy more taxes on citizens, ask money from senators or steal from poor peasants. तो वो रिफ्यूज करता है कि मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता हूँ. दिस इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, स्टील फ्रॉम पुअर पीजेंट्स, कि मैं ऐसा बुरा नहीं हूँ. Next is Brutus did not reveal to Messala that he knew about Portia's death because क्यों आपको लगा कि वो उसके सामने नहीं बोलना चाहता था कि मुझे पता है पोर्शिया के डेथ के बारे में क्या सर्कमस्टांसेस, उसने रिवील नहीं किया. A, he did not have emotions for Portia. He hated Portia as she supported Antony. He did not wish to discuss his personal matters. He was actually unaware of Portia's death. The correct option is C. He did not wish to discuss his personal matters in front of Messala. Who is Julius Caesar's heir? Octavius, Publius, Lepidus, Antony, and the correct option is A, Octavius. Next is Brutus called for Claudius and some other men to guard his tent when he sleeps, as he wanted to make battle plan with them, as he wanted them to sing for him, to make them sleep in his tent. तो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, क्योंकि वो क्लॉडियस और वैरो को किस लिए बुलाता है? टू मेक देम स्लीप इन हिज टेंट. नेक्स्ट इज इन एक्ट 4 सीन 3 ब्रूटस ब्लेम कैसियस फॉर बीइंग डिसऑनेस्ट टू हिम, बीइंग करप्ट, किलिंग सीजर्स फैमिली, चीटिंग ऑन हिज वाइफ. तो यहाँ पर ब्रूटस किस चीज का, ब्रूटस ब्लेम कैसियस किस चीज का लगा रहा है? बीइंग करप्ट. वहीं से उनकी कन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट ही होती है. ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. What does Brutus find in the pocket of his gown? अपनी गाउन की उसमें क्या मिलता है उसको पॉकेट में? His watch, a letter from his wife, his dagger, his book. Option D is correct. उसको अपनी book मिल जाती है. What does Brutus ask Lucius to do after Cassius left his tent? To play his musical instruments, to deliver an important message to Cassius, to take some rest as he was tired too, to guard his tent while Brutus slept. And A option is correct, to play his musical instrument. जब Cassius चला जाता है तो वो Lucius को बोलता है. Brutus angrily tells Cassius that he would not get scared of him, but use him as his musician for public ridicule, for his laughter and mirth, as a scapegoat to catch Octavius. And the correct option is C, for his laughter and mirth. Next is Black sentence refers to death sentence, punishment given on Black Friday, rules written in black book, black ink thrown on culprits. And the answer is A, death sentence. Brutus said to Cassius, you wronged yourself to write in such a case. What is he referring to? The letter of appreciation that Cassius sent, the letter of refusal of gold, the letter that Cassius wrote to be lenient with Lucius, the letter of condolences that Cassius wrote. And the correct option is C, the letter that Cassius wrote to be lenient with Lucius कि तुम you wronged yourself writing such a way. तो ब्रूटस कहता है कि Cassius तुम खुद ही तो गलत है, तुमने मुझे क्यों ऐसा लेटर दिया कि जिसपे मैं ब्राइब का चार्ज लगा रहा हूँ, तुम उसको एस्केप करने के लिए बोल रहे हो. तो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट है. There are no tricks in plain and simple faith, but hollow men, like horses, hot at hand, make gallant show and promise of their mettle. Who said this? For whom? किसके लिए? किसने कहा? Cassius for Brutus, Brutus for Cassius, Brutus for Lucius, Cassius for Lucilius. And the correct option is B, Brutus for Cassius. Cassius says he could make abler decisions than Brutus because he had more brains than Brutus. He was elder to Brutus. He had support of more counselors. He was an experienced soldier. And the correct option is B, he was elder to Brutus. As per Brutus' information, the enemy had sentenced senators to death, including कितने के लिए बात हुआ था? 100 Publius, मतलब हेड सेंटेंस कितने लोग, इसमें 2 डैश आ रहे हैं कितने सीनेटर्स मारे गए टू डेथ इंक्लूडिंग किसको मिला करके? तो ए ऑप्शन इज 100 इंक्लूडिंग पब्लियस, 70 इंक्लूडिंग सिसेरो, 100 इंक्लूडिंग सिना और 70 इंक्लूडिंग मार्को। तो ब्रूटस की इंफॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से कितना था? इट इज 70 इंक्लूडिंग सिसेरो। दिस इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी विच इज करेक्ट हियर। Next is most noble brother, you have done me wrong. For whom is the word noble brother used here? Cassius, Antony, Lepidus, Brutus, and the correct option is D, Brutus. What does Cassius offer Brutus as a punishment for denying gold? His entire wealth, his army of soldiers, his hurt, crown him the king. क्या कहता है कि मुझे पनिशमेंट के तौर पे क्या करो? क्या? डिनाइंग गोल्ड, मैंने तुम्हें मना किया गोल्ड लेने के लिए, तो तुम क्या ले सकते हो? हिज हर्ट, वो ऑफर करता है तुम मेरा हर्ट ले लो, डैगर लाओ। ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट। Who would tell the commanders of Brutus' army to go away from the tent where Brutus and Cassius were meeting? कौन कहता है? Who would tell the commanders? Pindrus, Lucilius, Lepidus or Titanius? And the correct option is B, which is Lucilius. Next is, which insupportable and touching loss does Cassius refer to? Portia's death, Casca's death, Caesar's death, his servant's death. And the correct option आपको पता ही है, Cassius यहाँ पर ब्रूटस की वाइफ पोर्शिया की डेथ के बारे में बात कर रहा है। A option is correct. Brutus says, let me tell you, Cassius, you yourself are much condemned to have an itching palm. Itching palm. What does itching palm mean? Having skin disease, having constant itching in the hand, हाथ में खुजली हो रही है, और being corrupt, none of the above. Here, what is the meaning? Option C is correct, being corrupt, कि तुम्हारे ऊपर भी corruption के बहुत सारे blames हैं. Who would tell the commanders of Cassius' army to go away from the tent where Brutus and Cassius were meeting? Pindarus, Lucilius, Lepidus, Titanius, and the correct option is A, which is Pindarus. Next is, I have seen more days than you, and though we lay these honors on this man to ease ourselves of divers slanderous loads, he shall but bear them as the ass bears gold. Who speaks these to whom? किसको कहता है? कौन कहता है? एस बियर्स गोल्ड मतलब चाहे हम उसके ऊपर गोल्ड ही रखेंगे, लेकिन गोल्ड का भी तो भार होगा और वो पूरी देर उसको अपने साथ लेके कैरी करेगा। तो कैसियस टू ब्रूटस, एंटनी टू ऑक्टेवियस, ब्रूटस टू लेपिडस, लुसीलियस टू कैसियस। तो यहाँ पर ये बात एंटनी ऑक्टेवियस को कहता है। और किसके बारे में? ये शायद आपको पता ही होगा। मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए किसके बारे में उसने ऐसा कहा कि वो इतना सारा अपने एस के ऊपर मतलब गोल्ड को किसको कंपेयर करने की कोशिश कर रहा है। यहाँ पर वो किसके बारे में बात कर रहा है? बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट, एंटनी ऑक्टेवियस को कह रहा है, पर किसके बारे में आप बताइए एक बार। What had Cassius inherited from his mother? Cassius को अपनी मदर से क्या मिला? Corrupt mind, cunning smile, arrogance and ego, rash humor और ill temper. So D option is correct, rash humor। वो कहता है मुझे गुस्सा इसलिए आता है क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी से मुझे मिला है। कितना अच्छा लगता है, अपनी मम्मी के ऊपर ब्लेम डाल दो। What does this mean? Conned by note reasons, take notice of, turn down the ideas, rebuked and insulted, learned by heart. And the correct option is A, take notice of. Whose death inspires Brutus to speak of his stoicism? किसकी बात को लेकर वो stoicism मतलब बता रहा है कि मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता गम में खुशी में। सीजर, कैलिफोर्निया, पोर्शिया, पब्लियस, अपनी वाइफ सी पोर्शिया के बारे में कह रहा है। Brutus believed that they should march forward and meet the enemy at Philippi because ब्रूटस क्यों कहता है कि हमें आगे जाना चाहिए? फिलिपी में, वहां पर मिलना चाहिए। बिकॉज फिलिपी वॉज अ बेटर बैटल ग्राउंड। The Sardians disliked them and would certainly support the enemy when they passed by them. It was foolish to sit and wait for the enemy. The soldiers will become lethargic while sitting idle. And the correct option is B. The Sardians disliked them and would certainly support the enemy when they passed by them. Next is, who tries to stop Brutus from marching to Philippi? Lucius, Lepidus, Porcius Goose, none of these. And the correct option is none of these. कोई भी उसको रोकता नहीं है। Who advises Cassius and Brutus to love and be friends? कौन कहता है कि दोस्ती होनी चाहिए? Cinna, the poet, Ligarius, Lucius. And the correct option is poet, कि love and be friends, आपस में प्यार से रहो। पर उसकी बात किसी ने सुनी ही नहीं। Which animal is not mentioned in Act 4 में कौन से एनिमल, बहुत सारे आए हैं, किसका नहीं आया है? Horse, bear, lion, dog. C. लॉइन इज करेक्ट, विद लाइन नहीं आया, बाकी सब आए हैं. Antony says, do not talk of him, but as a property. Who is him referred to? As a property. Octavius, Lepidus, Lucilius, Brutus. And you know this is Lepidus. Option B. What is the most appropriate meaning of the word chastisement? Making fool of, accusing someone, threatening, condemned. And the correct option is B, condemned. When was Julius Caesar murdered? The date. 15th of April, 15th of March, 25th of May, 25th of June, and the correct date is 15th of March, option number B. What does the appearance of Caesar's ghost signify? It shows Brutus' hallucination in stress, that Caesar's spirit was with Brutus. It works as an omen indicating Brutus' death, that he shall find Caesar finding alongside him. And the correct option is C. It was an omen indicating Brutus' death, क्योंकि उसको कहता है कि मैं तुम्हें मिलूंगा वहां पर, मतलब कि तुम आओगे तो मैं मिलूंगा का क्या मतलब है कि मैं तुम्हें अपने साथ ले जाऊंगा. Brutus says, I had rather be a dog and bathe the moon than such a Roman. Which quality of virtue is Brutus referring to? Supporting robbers, contaminate fingers with base bribes, sell the mighty space of large honors, means selling the reputations, आपने पैसे लेके reputations दिए हैं, or all of the above. Here, all of the above is the correct option. I said an elder soldier, not a better. Did I say better? Why did Cassius say these words? क्या मैंने कहा कि मैं better हूँ? मैंने सिर्फ कहा elder हूँ. तो A option. Why did Cassius say? Because Brutus had challenged him. Prove it. Make your boasting come true. कि अगर तुमने कहा कि you are a better soldier, then prove yourself. तो फटाफट पीछे हो गए. नहीं, मैंने better नहीं कहा. मैंने सिर्फ ये कहा कि मैं तुमसे elder हूँ. Because Lepidus had questioned his power, because Cassius was afraid to fight Octavius' army, none of the above. And the correct option is A, because Brutus has challenged him. Cassius said, when Caesar lived, he durst not thus have moved me. What does "durst" mean? Trust, death, doubt, dare. Option D is correct, dare. Do not presume too much upon my love. I may do that, I shall be. Sorry for. Who is I referred here? Brutus, Cassius, Antony, Octavius. So यहाँ पर Cassius, B option is correct. Brutus said, a flatterers would not, though they do appear as huge as high Olympus, what would flatterer not see? क्या नहीं दिखता? The dagger hidden by Cassius, the wrongdoings of Caesar, the faults of Cassius, the beauty of Olympus. And the correct option is C, the faults of Cassius. Strike as thou didst at Caesar. Who said this to whom? Brutus to Cassius, Cassius to Brutus, Cassius or Brutus to Casca and Cassius to Publius. So correct option is B, Cassius to Brutus. कि kill me as you did to Caesar. जैसे तुमने अपने दोस्त सीजर को मारा था वैसे मुझे भी मार दो. Brutus says, sheath your dagger, be angry when you will, it shall have scope. What does sheath mean? Sharpen, flaunt, put away, strike. And the correct option is C, means put away. According to Cassius, what has he inherited from his mother? Rash humor or bad temper, forgetful. I forget how to act due to bad temper. Both A and B and none of these. Here you know both A and B are correct. क्योंकि रैश ह्यूमर भी इसको वहीं से मिला अपनी मदर से, बैड टेम्पर, और फॉरगेटफुल भी वो कहता है मैं भूल जाता हूँ कई बार कि मेरे को गुस्सा आता है. तो ये बोथ ए एंड बी, ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. यही क्वेश्चन अलग ढंग से आ सकते हैं, इसीलिए उनको 2-3 बार रिपीट करने की कोशिश करती हूँ ताकि आपको वही आंसर अलग अलग किस ढंग से प्रेजेंट हो सकता है. क्वेश्चन पता होगा तो आंसर आप फटाफट समझ पाएंगे. In Act 4, Scene 3, the poet says, let me go in to see the generals. Why did he want to see the generals? The generals are becoming restless for battle. The generals have to be paid their salaries. The generals wanted to hear songs. There is some grudge between them. There is some grudge between them. Option number D is correct here. Who orders Lucilius and Titinus to bring Messala to the tent? कि लेकर Messala को आओ. किसने कहा? Brutus, Cassius, Lepidus, Lucius. And the correct option is B, Cassius. What reasons did Brutus give for Portia's death? She was impatient due to absence of Brutus. Worried did Antony and Octavius have become strong. She fell into despair. Both A and B and none of the above. सो बोथ ए एंड बी, ब्रूटस को पता है कि उसकी पोर्शिया की डेथ क्यों हुई है, क्योंकि वो दोनों रीजंस को सही मान के चल रहा है। Brutus wakes Claudius and Varro and gives them this instruction: to punish Lucius for sleeping while playing his musical instrument, to inform Cassius to start off his forces a little earlier, जो हमने डिसाइड किया उसे जल्दी शुरू कर देते हैं चलना, to defend him against the ghost, to stay awake and guard him as he was scared. तो B option is correct, to inform Cassius to start off his forces a little earlier. तो ब्रूटस कहता है क्लॉडियस और वैरो को, जब वो गूस देख लेता है कि उठो जाओ कैसियस के पास, उसको इन्फॉर्म करो। व्हाट डज लूसियस से? एज ही वेक्स अप, सडनली वो उठता है तो उसको क्या लगता है? आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी माय लॉर्ड फॉर फॉलिंग asleep, कि मैं सो गया म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाते बजाते। माय लॉर्ड आई डिडंट नो दैट आई स्लेप्ट फॉर सो लॉन्ग, कि मैं बहुत देर से सो रहा हूँ। द स्ट्रिंग्स माय लॉर्ड आर फॉल्स, आई हर्ड एंड सॉ नथिंग। तो क्या ऑप्शन देता है, क्या एक्सक्यूज देता है? ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट, द स्ट्रिंग्स माय लॉर्ड आर फॉल्स। उसको लगता है कि मैं म्यूजिक बजा रहा था और म्यूजिक अच्छा नहीं बज रहा, इसलिए मुझे बोला गया, उसको पता ही नहीं कि मैं सो चुका हूं। हाँ, what information did Messala not give to Brutus and Cassius? Octavius and Antony are marching towards Philippi. Octavius and Antony have put 70 senators to death. Portia is deadened by strange manner. None of these. तो what information Messala not give to Brutus? बाकी सब तो उसने बताया है, लेकिन ये तो उसने नहीं बताया Messala ने कि Octavius and Antony have put 70 senators to death. B option is correct. बाकी सब चीजें उन्होंने बताया कि फिलिप की तरफ जा रहे हैं, पोर्शिया मर चुकी है, ये सब बताया है। Next is Brutus says the deep of night is crept upon our dark and nature must obey necessity. Which necessity is he referring to? He wants everyone to go to sleep. He indicates that they should party with the army, to relook at the plan before the battle, quietly march to Philippi and take on Octavius' army. And the correct option is A. He wants everyone to go to sleep, कि थोड़ी देर का रेस्ट तो सबको चाहिए है। After everyone is gone to sleep, Brutus asks Lucius, सबको भेज दिया, फिर लूसियस को क्या कहता है? Give me the gown. Where is your instrument? Call Claudius and some other men. All of the above. All of the above. उसको तंग करके रख देता है लूसियस को कि गाउन दे दो, तुम्हारा इंस्ट्रूमेंट कहाँ है, मुझे इंस्ट्रूमेंट सुनाओ, क्लॉडियस को बुलाओ, वेरो को बुलाओ, मेरे टेंट में बुलाओ, मैं उनको टेंट में सुलाऊंगा, इतने सारे ऑर्डर्स दे देता है। Who said this to whom? So please you, we will stand and watch your pleasure. Varro to Brutus, Lucius to Cassius, Lepidus to Brutus and Cassius, Claudius to Lucilius. Who said this to whom? किसने किसको कहा? Varro ने Brutus को। So please you, we will stand and watch your pleasure. तो हम यहीं खड़े होते हैं, फिर वो कहता है कि नहीं रहने दो। Whom did Brutus give the book that he found in his night gown? में जो उसको बुक मिलती किसको देता है? Varro, Cassius, Lucius, Titinius. C option is correct, Lucius को देता है। Who were present in the tent with Brutus when he saw Caesar's ghost? But he did not see the ghost. ये नहीं मैंने बोला, कौन था वहां पे जब उसको दिखा था? Claudius, Varro, Lucius, all of the above. तो सब थे टेंट में, लेकिन किसी को नहीं दिखा, दिखा सिर्फ ब्रूटस को। All of the above is the correct option. Claudius भी था, Varro भी था, Lucius भी था, लेकिन किसी को नहीं दिखाई दिया। So with this I conclude my today's video. Hope you like the questions given by me, and these questions give you a complete revision of the Act 4 at least. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.